My bed is a mess, and here's what I'm doing. I'm preparing my second book's manuscript, and since NaNoWriMo has started, and this is how far I have reached. This is today's record. So yeah, I've done a pretty much good job. Trust me, I'm super tired right now. My eyes are hurting, and I had to put filter because I don't look good right now. And work has been very stressful, and I have to reach at least to the 30,000 word count, and let's see how I do. Hello, Mr. Minion. You know, you want to know about my book? I get tired of writing, then I eat this. This is my favorite one, and do try it. Mention it in the comments below. This is the mess. I have to clean. Since I already prepared the outline of my book in the end of October, and since according to last vlog, I was in Odisha, and I wrote a few chapters there, but I'm still lagging behind. I don't know if I'd be able to complete my book till the end or not. I'm just exhausting myself to finish it because I know I have to plan it the other things in December. So I have to finish this book in few days. I've been writing from past 2 to 3 hours, and I'm literally exhausted. I have written 1500 words, and that's very low. I have to write at least 3000 words today, and only then I'll be able to complete this book till November 30. I generally prefer writing while sitting on the table, but as you can see, my sister is eating. As you can see, the table is very occupied. I know that's so homely, but this is how everything goes in a day around me, and this is the place where I get some amazing ideas because I sleep here. And yeah, I generally write from what I see in my dreams. I bought new earphones so that I can write effectively. Another tiring day, and I've been lying after writing a lot of pages and words. My head is just getting heavy. So I'm constantly writing from yesterday, and I am on chapter 10. Well, it didn't seem a bigger problem initially because I have experience of writing around 5 to 7,000 words in a day, and maybe I just became so overconfident. My target was to finish chapter 10 today, and with it, half of my book would be done. Let's see how it turns out to be. If I can complete it around 12 a.m. till 12 a.m. you all know that NaNoWriMo week 1 and 2 has already been passed, and I am uploading this video very late because I was in Odisha. I just came back last week and I just tried my best to reach the word count limit as fast as I could, because I was very tired, and just because the change in climate, I suffered a lot. So I was having fever and everything, but now I am here and I'll show you how my week 1 and week 2 went exactly. I'm still like running off my time, and I have to write finished around 3000 words today, and I am thinking of trying few things new and trying few writing challenges, so I'll be doing soon. But first I should cover the basic scene of my book. What am I gonna do is that I'll prepare some scenes right now with these notes, and I'll paste it on my wall where I have added the character sketches of my characters. So I have most of these cards left and I'm running very slow. I don't think I'll be able to complete my book at the end of November, but I'm trying my best. Let's hope. Let's be positive. I'll do it.
I'm tired of writing continuously. I don't even have words now.